Some people move on, some people don't. And then there are the ones who carry a face in their memory, like a quiet ghost following them through every room of their life. Psychology says these people are not weak. They are simply wired to love deeply, to attach with their whole heart, and to remember with a precision that feels like pain. They don't forget their loved ones because their mind doesn't treat love like an event. It treats it like a home. And even when the doors close, the walls remember. These people replay old conversations not because they want the past back, but because some moments carve themselves too sharply to fade without leaving a mark. They analyze what went wrong, what they should have said, who they could have been, as if the right answer might turn time around. Psychologists call this emotional looping. The heart keeps returning to the last place it felt whole, hoping to understand the crack it didn't see forming. And some people can't forget because their love was never expressed fully. Unspoken words have long lives. They echo louder than anything actually said. They become unfinished stories that the brain tries to complete in dreams, in memories, and in quiet moments when no one is watching. Others hold on because they attached to possibility, not just to a person, to the version of themselves they were when they were loved, to the future they imagined so vividly it feels like a country they've already lived in. Losing someone like that is not just losing a person, it is losing a map, a direction, a meaning. And some people can't forget because they loved without calculation, purely, completely, almost innocently, and the mind struggles to release anything that felt that real. Psychology describes this as emotional imprinting, a phenomenon where the brain marks someone as part of your personal story, a chapter that cannot be torn out without tearing the book itself. So they keep remembering, not because they enjoy the ache, but because some loves settle into the rhythm of the heartbeat and become part of how a person exists. If you know someone like this, don't call them stuck. Don't call them dramatic. Sometimes the ability to remember is just another form of loyalty. And if you are someone like this, understand that the mind heals slowly when the heart has loved deeply. Forgetting is not a test of strength, and remembering is not a failure. It simply means your love was real, and real things leave real marks.